Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today with this video, we are going to discuss about the Indian Institute of Management Ranchi. So IIM Ranchi provides you the MBA, MBA in HR and MBA in BA program. So if we consider the admission process for IIM Ranchi, then it participates in the CAP for their admission. So if we consider the overall cutoffs for the CAP round, then it is 73 percentile in all the three sections for the general category, and overall it is 94 percentile in your CAT entrance examination. For EWS and NCOBC category, it is 50 percentile in all the three sections, and overall it is 77 percentile. For SC category, it is 44 percentile in all the three sections, and overall it is 60 percentile in your CAT entrance examination. For ST and DAP category, it is 25 percentile in the VRC and DILR, 30 percentile in the quantitative ability, and overall it is 40 percentile in your CAT entrance examination. If we consider the consolidated merit list, then in that 40% weightage is given to your CAT score, 30% weightage is given to your personal interview score, and 30% weightage is given to your overall profile. Then if we consider the profile scoring methodology for IIM Ranchi, then in that the 13 marks are given to your academic profile, 7 marks are for the work experience, 5 marks are for the academic diversity, and 5 marks are for the gender diversity. And if we consider the academic profile, then overall there are 13 marks. So if you have 85% or above percentage in your academic, then you will be given with the 4 marks. If it is in between 80 to 85 percentage, then you will be given with the 3 marks. Then if your percentage ranges in between 75 to 80, then you will be given with the 3 marks. If it ranges in between 70 to 75, then you will be given with the 2 marks. And if it ranges in between 70 to 65, then you will be given with the 1 mark. And if we consider the academic profile for 12th, then for that also there are 13 marks. If you have 85 percentage or more than that, then you will be given with the 4 marks. If it ranges in between 80 to 85%, then you will be given with the 3 marks. For 75 to 80, you will be given with the 3 marks. For 70 to 75%, you will be given with the 2 marks. For 70 to 65%, you will be given with the 1 marks. And for the academic profile for the graduation, there are 13 marks. So if your graduation score is 85% or above that, then you will be given with the 5 marks. For 80% to 85%, there are 4 marks. For 75 to 80%, there are 3 marks. For 70 to 75%, there are 2 marks. For 70 to 65%, there are 2 marks. Then for the work experience, if you have the work experience in between 7 to 12 months, then you will be given with the 2 marks. If it is in between 13 to 18 months, then there are 5 marks. If it is in between 19 to 24 months, then there are 6 marks. If it is in between 25 to 30 months, then there are 7 marks. If it is in between 31 to 36 months, then there are 4 marks. If it is in between 37 to 42 months, then there are 3 marks. If it is in between 43 to 48 months, then there are 2 marks. And if it is more than 48 months, then there is 1 mark. Then if we consider the academic diversity, then academic diversity will have the 5 marks for the final selection. So if the bachelor's degree is non-engineering bachelor's degree, then you will be awarded with the 5 marks on the basis of the academic diversity score. So if we consider the overall batch profile for IIM Ranchi, then there are 38% candidates are the female candidates and 62% candidates are the male candidates. So it provides you the MBA, MBA in HR and MBA in Business Analytics. If we consider for the MBA program, then if we consider it in terms of work experience, then there are 7% candidates are with the work experience in between 1 to 11 months, 12% candidates are with the work experience in between 12 to 23 months, 20% candidates have the work experience in between 24 to 35 months, and 14% candidates have the work experience of more than 36 months, and there are 47% candidates are the freshers. If we consider it in terms of HR, then there are 34% candidates are the freshers. Then there are 9% candidates have the work experience in between 1 to 11 months, 12% candidates have the work experience in between 12 to 23 months, 29% candidates have the work experience in between 24 to 35 months, and 16% candidates have the work experience of 36 months or more than that. For MBA in Business Analytics, there are 43% candidates are the freshers, 17% candidates have the work experience in between 1 to 11 months, Then there are 9% candidates have the work experience in between 12 to 23 months. 14% candidates have the work experience in between 24 to 35 months, and 17% candidates have the work experience of 36 months or more than that. If we consider the overall placements for the IIM Ranchi, then the highest domestic CTC offered with this college, it is nearly up to 35.5 lakhs per annum. Highest international CTC offered with this college, it is nearly up to 67.01 lakhs per annum. The average salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 17.3 lakhs per annum. The median salary package offered with this college, it is nearly up to 16.5 lakhs per annum. Top 10% candidates have the average salary package of 30 lakhs per annum, and top 25% candidates have the average salary package of 24 lakhs per annum. If we consider the placement domain wise, then for MBA in HR, the highest CTC offered is 32.2 lakhs per annum, average CTC offered is 16.3 lakhs per annum, median CTC offered is 16 lakhs per annum. Then there are top 10% candidates are with the average salary package of 25.6 lakhs per annum, and top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 22.4 lakhs per annum. If we consider it for the MBA in Business Analytics, then the highest CTC offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 22.3 lakhs per annum. The average salary package offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 16.4 lakhs per annum. And the median salary package offered with this domain, it is nearly up to 16 lakhs per annum. There are top 10% candidates are with the average salary package of 21.6 lakhs per annum, and top 25% candidates are with the average salary package of 20.3 lakhs per annum. If we consider the top recruiters for IIM Ranchi, then those are Aditya Birla Group, Accenture, Adani, Airtel, Amazon, Citibank, Infosys, HDFC Bank, S Bank, RBL Bank, Reliance, then Ultratech, UPL, JSW, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Hexaware Technologies, Hero, HSBC, EY, and there are so many companies are over there. If we consider the 2 years of fees for the MBA or PGDM program with IIM Ranchi, then it is nearly up to 17.20 lakhs. So this is all about the Indian Institute of Management Ranchi. If you have any doubts, any queries in this, then you can just let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you find the video helpful, then do like the video and subscribe the channel.